Do you look like this during finals? Or maybe like this at midnight on Sunday before your history presentation? Yeah, we feel you. If you deal with stress and anxiety, we have a solution for you. Introducing the highly squashable Write-Away pen.
This Write-Away pen has an adjustable silicone grip, a smooth ballpoint pen, a clasp for easy access. Make sure to check out the high squashability grip. The technology behind this pen is a silicone, rubber, and flexible gel plus the Papermate ballpoint pen, which is the top choice Papermate pen of May 2020. If you deal with stress or anxiety, we have a solution for you, and you're not going to want to miss it. Contact us at awaywrite@gmail.com or via Instagram at writeawayfort. Thank you.